Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Path of Exile to crashing on your PC. For example, while you're playing the game, out of nowhere, sometimes the game crashes. So what are the things that you can try? First of all, make sure to just go and open your Steam. This is one of the most known options, and probably you've done it, but if you didn't, it's good to try. Go to your game example, Path of Exile 2, click on Properties, click on Styled Files, and make sure to click on Verify Integrity of the game files. This will check, as example, all the files, and if you have any corrupted files on the game, it should be like fixed and repairs, or repaired as well. Another thing that you can try, as example, go again to your Path of Exile 2, click on Properties. In general, here you'll have to add some launch options. All you need to do is just type 2 dashes example, and you'd like to type the following commands. We'll type three stuff. So you'll have to type NO as example, A, S, W, and C. Then a space, then 2 dashes as example. Then you'll have to add no logo. The last one, another space, 2 dashes, and you'll have to add wait for reload. These 3 launch options example will fix the crashing problems as well if you have one of the 3 problems that I add the launch options of here. So the first one will just disable the crashing for some setups, and the second one is example. Second one is just, it will stop as example the animations that are not necessary, logos and stuff like that. And the last one is example, just wait for preloads. It will wait for any like necessary load before start playing the game. One last thing that you can try as example is make sure to go and open like your task manager, and make sure, as example, to right click on your game. Let's say, example, it's this one for me. Of course, you can just go and type it, Path of Exile, and look for it. For me, the game is not open, so you'll have to open it up before you do so. So, as example, try this off with League of Legends. And as example, you can go here. If you didn't find any processor stuff, you can just go and type an example or enter, not properties, sorry. You'll have to go and type go to details, and here you can go and right click on it again. An example, you can set priority to high if you want to like get more resources into your Path of Exile 2. Also, you can disable, as example, some of the processors on the game. As example, at least one processor. Why? Because if the game crashes while you're using all the processors, you will not be able to restart your PC unless you hard restart it, which might be a little bad for your PC. So make sure to leave at least one processor out so you can close the game whenever you want through like the task manager. And of course, there's the inside game like settings that you can go through, some graphics stuff that you'll be able to change. So that's an example. You'll be able to tweak it on your own, or you can go and see how to make it even better inside the game. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.